Hi guys, I am going to fly my drone today and I am taking you guys with me. Okay, we have arrived at the second place and this place looks kind of cool, so I'm going to take my drone out. Okay, I finished my drone flying here. This place wasn't that well. I don't know, for some reason I just couldn't have good signal with my drone and with my phone, and it kept getting bad quality, and my drone was also not really reacting very fast. For example, if I would turn to the left or to the right, he reacted very slowly, so after just a few minutes I just took him down. But anyways, it was so much fun to do this drone flying and cycling around, and everybody is looking to me like crazy because I'm also putting my GoPro on my head and it looks a little bit weird. But you guys have cool footage and I enjoy making these footages, so I don't really care, and I really had a fun time flying my drone. There's a lot of wind. Oh wait, there was also a lot of wind at this area, so that's why I also didn't really flew a long time. But anyways, I'm going to cycle back and then you will see this cool time lapse.